Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play the United States in Rise of Nations. To begin, focus on building a strong economy right from the start. Rapidly expand your borders to secure vital resources like oil and rare metals, which are crucial for growth. Prioritize researching infrastructure and tax reform to boost your income and development speed. A robust economic foundation is key to dominating the map in later stages. The United States excels economically, so leverage this advantage. Activate the tax reform policy for a significant 25% tax increase. Construct many factories, especially steel and civilian, in cities with over 1 million population for maximum output. Develop all your cities to at least Tier 3, then maximize research and education spending. This strategy ensures a massive and sustainable income. For military dominance, the United States should invest heavily in advanced technologies. Prioritize researching military upgrades to ensure your tanks, planes, and ships are superior. Develop a strong air force for both offensive strikes and defensive support. Maintain a powerful navy, building a composition of battleships, destroyers, and submarines to protect your coasts and project power globally. A balanced and technologically advanced military is essential. In the late game, securing all rare resources is paramount for maintaining global influence and technological superiority. Consider forming the North American Union, which provides excellent economic and military bonuses, especially if you remain democratic. Always manage your war exhaustion and stability carefully, perhaps by hiring a chief judge to mitigate corruption. This comprehensive approach of economic strength, military might, and strategic alliances will lead you to ultimate victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.